Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the importance of nutrition for optimal fitness and health. We'll discuss how to fuel your body for workouts, the role of macronutrients and micronutrients, and some tips for making healthier food choices. Nutrition plays a critical role in achieving optimal fitness and health. When it comes to fueling your body for workouts, it's important to eat a balanced meal that includes carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats. Carbohydrates provide energy for your workouts, while protein helps to repair and build muscle tissue. Healthy fats are also important for energy and overall health. In addition to macronutrients, it's also important to pay attention to micronutrients. These include vitamins and minerals that are essential for overall health and well-being. Some important micronutrients for fitness include calcium for bone health, iron for oxygen transport, and vitamin D for immune function and bone health. To make healthier food choices, try to focus on whole, unprocessed foods that are rich in nutrients. This includes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein sources, and healthy fats such as avocado and nuts. Avoid highly processed foods that are high in added sugars, saturated fats, and sodium. Another important factor to consider is hydration. Drinking enough water is crucial for optimal fitness and health, as it helps to regulate body temperature, transport nutrients, and remove waste products. Aim to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water per day, and more if you are sweating heavily during workouts. In summary, nutrition plays a critical role in achieving optimal fitness and health. By fueling your body with the right balance of macronutrients and micronutrients, and making healthier food choices, you can improve your overall health and well-being. Remember to also stay hydrated and listen to your body's signals for hunger and fullness. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.